The first one is about foundation, and two is the scholarship. The scholarship, I think most foreign students is most concerned about it. Okay, and the first prize is 3%. It means 3,000 Chinese yuan. It's the first prize, and the second prize is 2,000, and third prize is 1,500 Chinese yuan. It's located different percent, and 3% and 3,000 Chinese yuan mainly include 3%. So only few foreign students can achieve it and get it. Okay. And the second prize means 2,000 Chinese yuan, and only 2% foreign students can get it. And the third prize it means 1,500 Chinese yuan. Uh, three and three and 30% students can get it. So it's the basic position about scholarship in Shenyang Aerospace University. It's the two, and three is about online course. The one is replay and review. I just talk about the study online, the different study online and study offline. If you study online course, you must replay and review, just like reuse, recycle. Okay. You must replay and review online course. You must acquire knowledge and understand it deeply. And two is effective interaction. We know the online course studying is different from studying studying offline. If you want to have effective interaction with your teacher online, you must ask your question in the comments page. Okay. And third is age-time difference trouble. What is called age-time difference trouble? There exists time difference between your country and China. So you must find a way to ease time difference trouble. For example, when China is diurnal time and your country's is nocturnal time, you must find a way to ease time difference trouble if you study online course. It's a third tip. And four, free retake chance. And five is practical course in China. It's the 5 tips about online course. And 4 question is internship. If you have opportunity to study offline, in other words, you study in person to Shenyang Aerospace University, you have opportunity as internship in some company. For example, ZTE, Huawei, and other countries. Your internship in which companies is up to your majors. And the 5 questions, the fee payment. The fee payment is only 1 semester tuition. Okay? Did anybody have some other questions? Now we can return back and review this information. Because now imagine you are a student now. I'm a teacher. You are studying online, and I'm teaching online. So we repeat just the procedure is review and replay. Okay? We just talking about the 3 contents, and the first is introduction to Shenyang Aerospace University, and 2 is about programs in Shenyang Aerospace University, and 3 is online learning, especially the difference between online learning and offline learning. Okay? And we talk about the step 1 introduction to Shenyang Aerospace University, and we see the paranormal about Shenyang University and its basic introduction. It's located in Shenyang City in northern eastern part of China. Some foreign students may know the northern eastern part of China is very cold in winter. So if you want to apply for and get admission in Shenyang, Shenyang Aerospace University, you must buy some warm clothes in winter of northern eastern part of China. Remember it's very impossible. It's just 1 tips, and the 2 tip is Shenyang city have many delicious dishes. For example, the chicken frame. The chicken frame is the main. Is very popular dishes in Shenyang city. So it's basic introduction and paranormal about Shenyang Aerospace University. Okay? It have wide roads and grassland. And it have a big lake and airplane model. So the step 1 is over. Now we just talk about step 2. It's about Shenyang Aerospace University programs. Okay. We just talk about bachelor programs, master programs, and doctoral program, and other include University Foundation Program and Chinese Language Program. Okay, we just talk about bachelor program, mainly include aeronautical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and technology, telecommunication engineering, international business, electronic information engineering, automation, and art design. Its main majors in Shenyang Aerospace University, but it's not all majors. Remember, it's main major, not all majors. So, this major is most popular in this school, especially international business and aeronautical engineering. For example, if you want to work as an airplane worker or other serviceman in the near future, you can apply for the major aeronautical engineering. If you want to be a businessman, especially in international company, you can study in international business as your main major during your bachelor degree. And the master programs, we just talk about the master programs mainly include aeronautical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer applications technology, control science and engineering, and business management. And these five majors is most popular in master programs. And aeronautical engineering, you find it? It both exists master programs and bachelor programs. So, if you want to learn in Shenyang Aerospace Universities, both in bachelor programs and master programs, as aeronautical engineering with your major, you can apply. Okay? The business management we called MBA, Masters of Business Administration. Okay? It's the other most popular majors in many Chinese universities. It's master programs, and three we just talk about the doctoral program. Is you need to learn 3 years in Shenyang Aerospace University, and its main major is aerospace science and technology. So aerospace science and technology is different from aeronautical engineering. Okay? Its research direction is different. The aeronautical engineering direction is practical, and aerospace science and technology is theoretical and practical. You can have two sides. So it's the doctoral program. If you want to apply for doctoral program in Shenyang Aerospace University, so aerospace science and technology is most popular. And if you want to apply other majors, it exists. And the 4 and 5 program is University Foundation Program and Chinese Language Program. If you want to learn Chinese in Shenyang Aerospace University, you must learn at least 6 months. If you want to learn Chinese in other institutions, you can choose Confucius College in China. Okay? So it's basic introduction about bachelor programs, master programs, doctoral program, and other two uh, programs. Uh, and we just talk about the reason why we choose these programs, and just talked is its rank advantage is rank 4 among engineering universities in China, and you can apply for straightforward chance to bachelor, master, and doctoral degree programs. And if you want to study offline, you have opportunity in internship chance. The school provided internship chance in some company, laboratory, or other institutes. Okay, and 4 is you can apply for Chinese government scholarship and around 50% university scholarship. But I need to point out one thing. The Chinese government scholarship in this year is out of date. Okay, it's out of date. In other words, if you want to Chinese government scholarship now, you have no chance this year. You must wait for you want to Chinese wait for in the next year. The Chinese government scholarship is out of date, and 50% university scholarship. Uh, it means like managed scholarship, many universities, and it's very nice. Okay. Now, we just seen these pictures, these foreign students as internship and Chinese workers is getting low. Okay. At least foreign students. We also just talk about the payment about Shenyang Aerospace University. We just talk about its tuition fee and its accommodation and other fee. I think is very important to every foreign students because during the COVID-19 pandemic period, uh, we everyone have a difficult time in uh, e- we everyone have a difficult time in economic fields. Okay, our parents, uh, our friends, and other institutions, include businessmen, workers, cannot um, have a normal economic activities. So it will create a main difficulties in every families. So the payment uh, when you apply for universities in China is more difficult. The tuition fee we talk about the bachelor program is it's 18,000 Chinese yuan 1 year, and the master program is 20,000 Chinese 1 year, and the doctoral program is 26,000 Chinese year 1 year, and foundation program and Chinese language is relatively 14,000 Chinese yuan 1 year, and Chinese language is 12,000. Okay, and we just talk about the accommodation fee. If you want to learn as one person, you can choose private room or single room. But it has a difference mainly about the expense. The private room is expense is 1,200 Chinese yuan 1 month, and the single room in Friendship Villa District is 850 Chinese yuan 1 month, and in Block A, B, and C is 650 Chinese yuan 1 month. If you want to have a roommate during your study career, you can choose twin room. And in Friendship Villa District, uh, it's 600 Chinese yuan a month, and Block A, B, C district is 500 Chinese yuan 1 month. And other fee include registration fee, health insurance fee, and medical test, book spellings, and residence permit fees. And the most important two fees is registration fee and residence permit. Okay, the registration fee, when you apply for the universities in China, you must apply for registration fee. Okay, it's the first and very important step. And the residence permit, you must pay for it when you're Chinese and you want to learn stable and without no many problems. Well, now we just talk about the steps three and about online learning. We see the advantage of online learning and its difficulties. Um, is time difference, internet condition, and we just say a self-disciplinary person and online interaction between yourself and your teachers. And we just talk about 5 tips about online learning. We just say the first one is treat online course as a real one, and the two is eliminate distractions between yourself and the other man. And the 3 tips is import time management skill, and 4 is create a regular study space and study organized. And 5 is an important one. You must actually participate. Okay, make sure your presence. And the last, we talk about question and answer. The first is about foundation, and 2 is about scholarship. The first prize, second prize, and third prize, it has different. Uh, it has different. First, the 3,000, the 2 and 1,500. Okay, and third, we talk about online course. Replay and review is most important to every foreign students. Okay, you must replay and review about your online course. And 2 is effective interaction between yourself and your teachers when you study online. And this 3 is time difference travel because it have some time difference between your countries and in China. Okay, and this 4 is free take chance, and 5 is practical course in China. And 4 is internship. We just talk about internship, okay? And the last is fee payment, and is most concerned and foreign students most concerned, okay? So it's all information about Shenyang Aerospace University. Hope everyone can understand and remember the important information we just talked about, okay? So thanks for everyone for attend this live streaming, and thanks for every foreign student. See you. See you.